Creating a cafe design inspiration board is an exciting way to visualize your ideas and set the tone for your cafe's interior, ambiance, and branding. Here's a step-by-step guide to craft one effectively. 1. Define your cafe's vision. Before starting your board, have a clear idea of what you want your cafe to represent. Theme. Is it modern, rustic, vintage, industrial, bohemian, or nature-inspired? B. Audience. Who is your target market? Students, professionals, families, or digital nomads? C. Purpose. Is it a cozy hangout spot, a co-working cafe, or a quick-service joint? This clarity helps guide your design choices. 2. Gather inspiration from multiple sources. Explore various platforms to find visuals that inspire you. A. Pinterest, a treasure trove of design ideas. Search for keywords like industrial cafe decor or boho coffee shop interiors. B. Instagram. Check out cafes worldwide by exploring hashtags like #cafedesign or #coffeeshop, inspo. C. Magazines and books. Interior design publications often feature creative cafe layouts and decor ideas. D. Travel and real life. Visit local cafes or recall inspiring spaces you've been to. Online tools. Use platforms like Canva or Millernote to organize your inspiration digitally. 3. Collect and categorize visual elements. As you gather images, organize them into key design aspects. A. Interior style. Include furniture, walls, flooring, and ceiling designs. B. Lighting. Pendant lamps, chandeliers, fairy lights, or natural light setups. C. Color palette. Identify the dominant hues you want. Neutral tones, bold contrasts, or earthy greens. D. Decor details, wall art, signage, plants, or shelving arrangements. E. Furniture, chairs, tables, counters, and stools. F. Branding, menus, cups, packaging, and logos. 4. Choose a medium for your board. Decide how you want to create and present your inspiration board. Aim's digital boards. Platforms like Canva, Millernote, or Pinterest are great for online organization. B. Physical boards. Use a corkboard or foam board and pin printed images, fabric swatches, and other tactile elements. 2. Hybrid approach. Combine physical materials with digital mock-ups for a comprehensive vision. 5. Focus on storytelling. Your inspiration board should tell the story of your cafe. Start with a central image that represents your theme. B. Surround it with supporting elements that detail the look and feel of the space. C. Include notes or keywords to describe the mood like cozy, vibrant, or industrial chic. 6. Include functional elements. Beyond aesthetics, think about functionality. A. Layout ideas for seating, counters, and walkways. B. Placement of practical features like electrical outlets, shelves, or storage. C. Accessibility considerations, such as wheelchair-friendly spaces. 7. Refine and edit. Once you've gathered your inspiration, refine it. A. Eliminate elements that don't fit the theme or feel cohesive. B. Look for patterns in your choices, repeated colors, shapes, or materials to solidify your style. C. Ensure the board reflects not just beauty, but also practicality. 8. Present your vision. Share your inspiration board with designers, architects, or collaborators. A. Use it to communicate your vision clearly and get feedback. B. Highlight the must-have elements and areas where you're open to suggestions. Pro tips for a strong inspiration board. 1. Stick to a cohesive theme. Avoid mixing too many styles. Consistency is key. 2. Add real-world references. Include photos of existing cafes or design details you love. 3. Incorporate textures. For physical boards, add fabric swatches, wood samples, or tiles. 4. Use visual hierarchy. Organize your board so that the main theme stands out and details support it. 5. Think of branding. Your board should also inspire your cafe's logo, menus, and packaging. 9. Final touches. Once your board feels complete, use it as a blueprint to guide every step of your cafe's design journey. Revisit it frequently to ensure all decisions align with the initial vision. In conclusion, a well-crafted inspiration board is more than just a collage. It's the roadmap to creating a unique, memorable cafe experience. It ensures that your design stays true to your vision, while helping collaborators bring your dream space to life. What's your cafe's vibe? Minimalist, rustic, or something totally unique? Let me know, and I can help you brainstorm ideas to add to your inspiration board. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.